Hi everyone, Donna here, and today I want to talk about the importance of choosing the right bookkeeper for your business. Despite what a lot of people think, you can't just go and hire the nearest person off the street. No, this doesn't really require a ton of training or any licensure, but the bookkeeper is really the heart of the business. And so I'm going to talk a little bit about choosing the right bookkeeper. This is one of the most important decisions you will make. This is someone who will become intimately familiar with your spending habits for your business, not just for your country, for your industry rather, but for your individual business. You want someone with experience and training who's able to answer your questions in a timely manner and who's also able to get you ready for tax season. So you want someone who's also knowledgeable about the tax laws. Now, due to privacy concerns, many business owners are hesitant to turn bookkeeping tasks over to an in-house bookkeeper, and with good reason. I once worked with a client whose in-house accountant was overly free with information to other employees in the firm, and that had disastrous results. Another client gave his on-site bookkeeper signing rights to the bank accounts and didn't oversee expenses properly. Why would he? That's why he hired her. It ended up costing him hundreds of thousands of dollars. So let's see how to find a bookkeeper that will suit your needs. The top concerns our clients have are privacy and security. It's important to find a bookkeeping company with integrity. You want to make sure your financial information is in safe hands. You also want to make sure your bookkeeper is competent. I recently was doing some research for these blog posts and videos that I do, and I came face to face with the understanding that most bookkeepers are not very good at their jobs. They don't understand accounting. They haven't taken any accounting courses. They hold no degree. They're not even working on a degree. They have very little experience. They think they can just learn this on the fly. I was horrified. I've been doing this for 20 years, and the arrogance of the least experienced bookkeepers just flabbergasted me. For the past 20 years, because this is what I do for a living, I have been studying bookkeeping and accounting. What can I do to make things better for my clients? What can I do to make things better for me? How can I utilize technology to make my job easier and quicker? Because let's be honest, the more clients that I can serve, the more money I make. But I don't want to be making mistakes along the way. So I'm constantly looking for ways to be better. And I only hire bookkeepers with at least a bachelor's degree and experience. You know, I've even come across accountants who were claiming to be CPAs. They were claiming that designation. And when I went to go look them up to find their license information, they were nowhere to be found. One claimed she was a CPA here in the state of Utah. I went to the website, the Department for Professional Licensing, looked through the CPA database, could not find her anywhere. So she said, oh, well, it's Texas. Texas has less stringent requirements for being a CPA. And I said, I'll look. So I did. And I was not surprised to find her not there either, because CPA requirements are pretty much the same across the board. You have to pass a 4-part test. It costs $250 per section to take, so it's about $1,000 just to take the test. It's one of the most difficult tests in professional licensing. You have to have 160 hours of classroom work or classwork, and you have to have a year's internship with a CPA firm. Now, full disclosure, I'm not a CPA, but I am not claiming that designation either. You do not have to be a CPA to be a very good bookkeeper, but if you're going to claim that you are, you better have your license up to date. As a client, your best bet is to hire a bookkeeping firm like Bookkeeping Made Simple. We have bookkeepers on staff. We cross-check each other's work. and we vet the bookkeepers and accountants that we hire very carefully. You will have the best bookkeeping team in America taking care of your small business. Thanks very much, everyone. Have a great day.